piece of my head. I'm singing this song and it goes like octopus trying to choke you with tentacles. Survived by only those who prove to be sensible. With only two choices, good and the bad. The hardest part is to be choosing a path. Check this, I could've got myself to dealing with drugs, or maybe pop a weaker person there while chilling with thugs. Maybe blow up my father's money spending on clothes, faking attitude for winning all them feminine woes. One point in time I got absorbed in foolish lies. Was juvenile, thought it was cool to get in the brutal fights. I even had the thrilling urge to kill. The next second the whole feeling reversed to guilt. I was offered a gun, that's when I dropped it for a mic. Took rap as a career and I thought that this